Okay, I thought I would video on how to uh, peel boiled eggs without breaking the white so that you could do some perfect deviled eggs. So I'm going to show you how I do it. First, I take my pan and I boil my eggs. Steam in hot water. Sorry, I didn't start this from the beginning, but you'll see. Steam in hot water. Then I take my pan and I put it in the sink and I run hot water in the pan while water is flowing out of the pan. Once I do that, then I take my eggs because they're no longer steaming hot. I can just hold them in my hand and they won't burn. And I drop them on my butcher block. It's a counter. Make sure your counter can withstand you dropping the egg, okay? But once the shell gets real loose and it's bouncing, you don't want to bounce it hard now because you'll break the egg. Then you can just take the peel off. It flows right off. It flows right off. And you have a full egg, okay? If you bounce it too hard, you will break the egg. So do not bounce it too hard. I bounce it on the top, then I bounce it on the bottom, and then I just take it on the side and drop it on the counter until the shell is broke all the way around and it look like it's gonna bounce. Once it do that, then this peel comes right off. It comes right off. It's that simple. And you're not fighting with the membrane and all that stuff. Okay? But you got to get it completely cracked all the way around. And once it's cracked all the way around, it's basically gonna start coming off. And it's gonna start bouncing. The egg's gonna start bouncing right in your hand, right before your eyes. And then you get the membrane peeling off. Once you get that membrane going, then the rest of the egg is gonna peel. It's gonna do just like that. And you're gonna have a full egg every time. Every time. If you do it right. Every time. Okay? And you can roll it like I just did. You can roll it to make sure that shell is peeled. The shell peeled, and it's going to pull the membrane off right with it. And you're going to get a full egg every time. Every time. As a matter of fact, I like the rolling better than the bouncing because I did crack a few of my eggs because I bounced them too much. But yeah, that's once you get that egg, that shell to peel like that, then you got some full-grown eggs that you can devil and still have your egg white. I mean your egg yolk. But you got your white intact so that it holds your deviled mix. I used to struggle with that, so I know there's some people out there that struggle with it. Well, you don't have to struggle any longer because this is the way you do it. This is how you do it. This the way you do it. Who did that song? I don't know who made that song. But it was back in the day. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Get a whole egg. Last one. And I've done a whole bunch of them, so we have see, whole egg, no breaks, no tears, just a boiled egg. Got a whole bucket full. See this one right here? I bounced it a little bit too much and it cracked. So don't do that. Don't bounce too much. Rolling might be better, but as long as the shell is cracked, as long as your shell is cracked, then it comes up, seem like it comes off a whole lot better. I've seen a lot of videos where people say put them in a jar and shake them around and all that kind of stuff, but this works better for me. It peeled them, but it does it pretty fast. So that's it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, and share. And stay tuned for any other TikTok videos I have. Bye.